You know, that's like your cue. You know that? I don't think he ever recognized that. Nah, he doesn't. I mean, I do it every day.
Hello? Hello?
Hi.
Please mute your phone, sir.
It's me?
Place your phones on mute.
Oh.
Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps or head coverings unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. All right. Good morning, everyone. What I'm going to do is try to do the best I can to get you out as fast, efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. David A. Robinson. David A. Robinson.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm appearing on behalf of Felicia Lagarty.
Okay. Good morning to you, Counselor. Your client is here. All right. Ms. Williams-Law, are you ready? Are we ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Let's call it City of Detroit versus Felicia Lagarty, case number SP 184-5526, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 184-62961. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. David Robinson, appearing on behalf of Felicia Lagarty.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Is it Lagarty or Lagarty?
Lagarty.
Lagarty. Well, all right. Good morning to you, ma'am. Sorry about the mispronunciation. State your name, please.
Felicia Lagarty.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Have you pre-tried it? You know what your client wants to do, Counselor, or what?
Your Honor, in this instance, she was given 3 tickets, neither of which she operated the vehicle. So
well, we're at the stage of a pretrial, right? And I must say, Counselor, you want to go straight to trial. If we have to set a trial, we have to speak with the city attorney.
Your Honor, I think what I was going to ask is that we be provided with the discovery of the officer's body cam, because that is what will determine whether or not Ms. Lagarty was even at the scene, which she says she wasn't. So this is a discovery matter at this point. Very
well. What I can do is you can file the discovery motion with the city attorney's office, or you can wait until the city attorney gets here, and I can assign you and your client to a breakout room, and then you can have that discussion with them. But I agree with you. You do it should and want to get the discovery, and you're entitled to that. So you can certainly get a chance to get that. I'll give you that chance to. What would you like to do? You want to get it on your own, or you want to wait till the city comes in?
Your Honor, I can probably get it on my own, and maybe we can just adjourn it and until I speak with the city. She did provide some, Your Honor, but not the body cam.
What about a trial date? You want a trial date or a pre-trial date? All right, let's just set a trial date. If it's a matter of identification, I think a trial date would be quicker. If it's something that you need more after that, then we'll just we'll we'll continue it, and if you haven't gotten all the discovery by March the 13th, we'll continue it, all right?
Thank you,
Let's
Your Honor. That'd be great.
March the 13th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Counselor and Ms. Lagarde, you both have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you both.
Thank you, Your
Your
Honor.
council's P number, Mr. Robertson, Attorney.
It's
Yes.
38754.
38754.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. If there's nothing further, both of you have a very good rest of your day.
Thank
Good
you.
to Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus DeJuan Philip Owens, case number SP 1833317, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1837716, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Taylor appearing on behalf of Mr. Owens. My P number is P57166. Mr. Owens, would you introduce yourself, please?
Yes, I'm DeJuan Philip Owen.
Your Honor, we'd like a bench trial, request a bench trial in this matter, Your Honor.
I will also place SP 1168488 on the record as well. All right, Mr. Owens, I'm going to set you up with a bench trial date for March the 13th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, please.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
I hang up.
You can go, Mr. Owens. I'll be in touch, Mr. Owens. You can go.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
City of Detroit versus Siobhan Goodspeed, case number SP 1847794, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Goodspeed.
She's not ready.
I'm sorry. No, I'm here. No, I'm here. Shavon Goodspeed. I'm sorry, it was on mute.
Turn your camera on, man.
Okay.
Sorry, I stopped it. All right.
I'm sorry. Here I am. Hold on.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Miss Goodspeed, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
All right. Thank you.
Welcome. We'll pass the matter. On the Antonio iPhone, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you doing, sir?
What is your full name, sir?
Antonio Pike Daniel Rufus Griffin.
Let's see. Okay. This is the city of Detroit versus Antonio Griffin, case number SP 1846273, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 184-62871. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May it please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P72832. On behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Antonio Griffin.
Good morning to you, Mr. Griffin. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Purposes of arraignment, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Griffin, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Muhammad Salam Luli. That's your client. We'll wait on the officers. That's for, Mr. Warbling. Then Mr. Barton, good morning to you. Who's your client?
Good morning to you, Your Honor. I'm here for Mr. Roderick Lewis, Sierra Grant.
Roderick Lewis?
Yes, sir.
I don't know. Let's see. On the Samsung, sir, with the hat on, can you take your hat off, please? You had on, you seem like you're at work. What's your name, sir?
Yes, sir. Anthony Gay.
Say that again.
Anthony Gay.
Anthony Gay. Anthony Gay. Okay, good morning to you, Mr. Gay. All right,
Good
so
morning.
I just saw his name.
Yeah, he's on the screen. Mr. Lewis, if you can unmute, come on the camera.
Who is that? That's your client?
Yes, sir. Mr. Roderick Lewis.
Oh, he's on the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Can
sir.
you hear me? All right. Is my camera on?
No, sir.
Okay. Do I supposed to turn it on?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Everybody's gonna have to turn it on before
Start my
they.
video. Okay. There we go.
All right, that matter is set for trial, so we're gonna wait until the officer, I'm gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period from 9 to 9:30. If the officer appears, we'll get you out of here. I mean, we'll get you into, the attorney will talk to the, city attorney. If the officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
I
you.
also am appearing on Ms. Sierra Grant, not Sarah Grant, but Sierra Grant.
Okay, is Sierra Grant here?
But don't see. Let me just make sure she's logged in, Your Honor. But I just wanted to give you a heads up on those two individuals. I'll make sure she's logged in.
I'm gonna see some people are here in the waiting room. Let's see who we have. On the telephone at 313-919-1423. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Ben Edward Lucas.
Ben Edward Lucas.
Yes.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lucas.
How are you today?
I'm well. Right. On the iPhone, I just let in the room. Can you start your camera and state your name, please?
Cameron.
Hello. Oh,
iPhone, good morning to you, sir. I can't see you.
Okay.
You had it on?
How do I? Beg pardon? How do I?
Go ahead. You have it on now. Good morning to you. What is your name? You tend to cut it off, turn it off. What is your name?
Lachelle. Which one?
All right. What is your name on the iPhone? I just let in the room.
Lachelle Green, sir.
Lachelle Green, you're going to have to come in so I can see you. You're going to have to put some light on. If you're not properly attired, you need to get yourself together. All right. Lachelle Monique Green.
Yes, and I'm together, sir. Sorry.
Don't come in dressed. Good morning to you. Go put some clothes on.
I have no clothes. 1 second.
I'll put you back in the waiting room so you get yourself together. 313-465-9302. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Antonio Lowe.
Antonio Lowe.
Yes.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lowe.
How you doing?
Well, who is, was that your client, Mr. Taylor?
No, Javon Golston is mine, Your Honor.
Is Golston here?
He should be. If he's not, I can give him a call, but I told him to be on at 8:30. He said he would be.
Can we get probation down here for Goodman, please? Reservations, Vincino. Reservations, Vincino. You have to unmute yourself, start your camera. I'm sending you the prompt. I'm gonna put you out if you can't unmute yourself and start your camera.
It's Tommy. Claude?
Hold on a second. Call in user 1. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Is there a way you can get a translator? Because he doesn't speak English.
What is your name?
His name is Darlise.
Say that again.
Darlise, Daryl's.
Barley, are you looking for landlord tenant?
No.
What is your last name?
Hernandez.
Hernandez, Darley Hernandez?
Daryl's. Hernandez, yes.
Do you have a case number?
His case number is SP1-851-7391.
He's calling for someone, Judge.
Say SP1-851.
SP1-851-7391 OT. Or 7392. Sorry, I was looking at
Daryl's Fernandez?
Yes.
And where is he?
He's right here. He just needs a translator because he doesn't speak English.
Okay. Good morning to both of you. Well, he's supposed to be, he has 67838. He is supposed to be in, it says me, but that's not my P number. All right, we'll figure it out.
Sorry.
We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out.
Okay.
We need an interpreter, Miss, for that individual, Miss Mathis. All right, are we ready on anyone? All right,
Ready,
let's go.
Miss Goodspeed, Your Honor.
Record with,
Golston should be there.
let's go back on the record with Miss Goodspeed. Miss Goodspeed, I've given you an opportunity. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to the pedestrian disregarding an officer's signal or order on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence. The remaining matter to be dismissed.
All right, I don't have any notes down here to tell me what she is alleged to have done. You ready to tell everybody what you did, Miss Goodspeed?
Basically, I just didn't listen to the officer due to, like, I guess.
All right.
They were
So
trying.
do you want to see, you want me to appoint you an attorney so they can look further into it, or what do you want to do? You want to take the deal today?
The deal seems pretty fair. I mean,
All right, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
yes,
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
yes,
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
yes,
Mr. Barry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not? Did Mr. Barry go over all your other advice or rights, ma'am?
yes, he did.
And did you understand those rights?
I did.
Do you have any questions about them?
I don't.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yeah.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to December 23rd, 2025 at around 10:14 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Roselawn in Chicago. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
I did.
And what went on out there?
Basically, I guess I got into it with the people because I guess they was trying to take my keys and stuff.
All right, that's not, well, I need to know what went on with you and the officer.
I was with the officers and they was basically telling me to leave and I did not leave. What was that?
Because you're out there drunk?
I was indulging a little bit too much, Your Honor.
All right, and
For Christmas,
all right,
I indulged too much.
I see. All right, is that a satisfied, counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Satisfied, I'm gonna find you guilty as to the charge to the disregarding of a officer's order, and stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
That it'll be $240. I'll give you until May the 19th to pay it. If you pay it by May the 19th, don't get any other trouble like this. We'll dismiss the case. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you, Judge Perkins.
Welcome. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Tiffany Gadsden. Case number SP 184-52501, SP 184-52591. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gadsden.
Tiffany Gadsden.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning,
today, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Gadsden, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
When you see the prompt, you join the room and you let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
All right, let's pass the matter. Ms. Harris, do you have a question?
Yes, sir. Is it possible you could tell me what the restriction is or was for Mr. Griffin?
Violation of restricted license. It says TS expired plate 11/7/2025 per SOS lien, license status restricted. It does not indicate what, it doesn't indicate anything to suggest what he was doing or whether he was operating outside of the time frame, I guess. That's what they allege.
So there's a time restriction?
No, when I see restricted license, I see, that he's not, when they have those, he wasn't driving to work, he wasn't going to the doctor, or I don't know, those type of
Well,
things.
that's why I'm asking, is it possible to review his driving record to tell me if there was a restriction on there and what it is?
Well, I don't know. We can print his driving record out, but
Please and thank you.
print his driving, please. On the TCL device, can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, TCL 9137W?
Yes, Jovan Ghostin.
Golston, okay, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Griffin. So Griffin, I don't think it's gonna indicate any reason. I don't think it's gonna indicate why it's suspended, why it's restricted. Let me see. All right, that's cut off for officers at formal hearing. So we're back on the record. It says here probation, post first year diagnostic probationary referral shall not drive a vehicle requiring a commercial driver's license, no moving violations, only family members permitted as passengers. That's all I see. Yeah, that's all I see.
And what
Maybe
date was that, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
This was, what date was the ticket written?
What date was the restriction, that restriction placed?
That restriction, it places the exam weight date was June 9th. Reinstatement date was restricted from 8/5/2025 to 2/4/2026.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Did we get probation down here for Goodman?
Call Scotty and I emailed him.
Did we get
Spanish interpreter?
yes.
I'll take it.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gatson. Ms. Gatson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what you want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea to limited access 1 to 5 miles over for the speeding ticket, the license matter to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Take a probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
With those stipulations, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, $125. When can you pay it?
Like right now, that's the only thing about it. I'm trying to try to get it as soon as possible because I don't have no income right now. Like I said, I help my sister and stuff out with her kids, so that's the only thing I'm doing right now.
I'm not understanding. When can you pay? Give me a date.
It have to be like in the next month or so.
I'm going to give you until March 19th to pay it. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. And you can come on down to the courthouse if you haven't been able to pay it and get into a payment plan. I think they require like 20% down, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Yeah. This is the city of Detroit versus Fred Matthew Gaboldo, case number SP 106-96541, SP 110-8635, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 111-2316, counts 1 and counts 2. 20439-754, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1377292, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1381021, counts 1, 2, and 3. Let me see what this is. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gaboldo.
Fred Gaboldo.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Barry, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Gaboldo. Mr. Gaboldo, Mr. Barry is gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Your Honor, Mr. Gaboldo doesn't appear on my docket.
Yeah, he's on the docket at 8:35. Maybe Ms. Mathis needs to send you an updated docket.
That would be helpful.
All right, Ms. Mathis, can you give Mr. Barry an updated docket, please? All right, put you in a breakout room. Mr. Barry's gonna get the docket for and go over some things, Mr. Gaboldo. He attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
All right.
Join the room, pass the matter.
And Mr. Goldston.
Yes. Hello?
Yes, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Well, you can go to the breakout room and take Mr. Ghost. Oh, Goldston, what do you want to do?
We want to bench trial, y'all.
Okay.
313 is good.
City of Detroit versus Javon Goldston. Case numbers SP 1119015, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1170021, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 12865, strike that. SP 1286451, SP 137-4768, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 145-60621, SP 1522269-1. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Mr. Golston. Would you introduce yourself, Mr. Golston?
Yes. Hello, Your Honor. I'm Attorney Legend. I'm Jovan Nathaniel Ghost. Good morning.
Your Honor,
morning.
we'd like to set all these matters for bench trial, Your Honor.
All right.
And 3/16 was your last date, Your Honor. If I could get them both on that date, that would be great.
13 was the last date.
3. I'm sorry, 3/13. My bad.
All right, trial date is going to be March 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day, Mr. Golston and Mr. Taylor. Best of luck to you both.
You too, Your Honor. I'll be in touch, Mr. Golston. Peace.
All right, thank you.
Can you get Mr. Hare, Mr.
Mr. Bear.
Doctor, please? Thank you. Are you ready, Mr. Warbling?
Ready, Judge. Thanks, Your Honor.
The City of Detroit versus Mohammed Luli, case number 257754481. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please this most honorable court, Your Honor, Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of Mr. Lully. Judge, it's a civil matter. If I could waive his appearance, I do have authority to act on his behalf.
I'll grant the motion to waive his appearance. Let's see, is there Officer Daniel Williams. Daniel Williams, hearing no response. Go ahead.
Judge, for those reasons and the officer's failure to appear and given the current time, we would make a motion to dismiss at this time.
Okay, case is dismissed. Mr. Warbling, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Judge. Have a great day.
All right, try it again. Reservations video. All right, good morning. Take your hat off, sir. Good morning. Take your hat off. What is your name? Reservations video. I just let you in the room, sir.
Reservations
Vecino.
Ay, Luis Alfredo Mata Gutiérrez.
Gutierrez. All right. Luis Alfredo Mata. Necesitas interpreter?
Sí. Sí.
All right. Un momento.
Okay. Gracias. Thank you.
Shakayla's is that Shakayla's iPhone? Can I get a full name, please? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. My name is Shakila Lindsay O'Dobby.
Godby, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yanni, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. You
Do you have a case number, Miss Godby?
Let me see. Okay, the number on the ticket, Your Honor, is SP 184-38401. And then it's an OT on it.
You're Shakayla Marie Lindsay Obey?
Odabi, yes.
Odabi? Is
Yes.
that, I thought you said Godby. Okay.
Ah.
Odabi. Okay. All right. Sorry about that. Let's see. I still don't think I have you on here. Let's see what's going on. All right, Mr. Are we ready, Mr.? I see you. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Douglas Toby Goodman, case number Z8095991. Appearance for the, state your name for the record, please, Mr. Sciotti.
Judge, my name is Ken Sciaga. I am the assigned probation officer on this case.
Mr. Goodman, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Douglas Goodman, Your Honor.
All right. How is it going, sir?
It's going pretty well. I'm still in treatment. I'm getting ready to graduate either the end of this month or next month. I did have one slip up in late September, so I checked myself back in, and I've been in treatment for 5 months. I've learned from my mistakes, and I'm working on things that I missed the first time. I've gotten me a job maybe about a month ago, and things are going really well.
Mr. Sciotti.
Judge, this defendant, I've been contacted with his therapist. He's in Minnesota.
I know.
He's at an inpatient facility. And they've been very good on sending me reports about his inpatient. He's been there for.
I know.
He's not.
I'm very familiar.
Yeah. And I have proof of that. And in the content of the proof, it says that he submits negative urine while he's there, and he has AA meetings during that facility. He still has to do what's called the Mothers Against Drunk Drivers. And, you know, he still has to complete the alcohol highway safety program. You know, those are important. Those are the two main issues with the drunk driving case. One more thing, he has a balance of $1,020, and I understand he's in a treatment, but we're requesting.
Well, all right, but what is telling me is that they're not giving you all the information, because he just tells me that he had a slip up and you don't know about it.
Yeah, he had a slip up in September.
We never discussed that, have we? This is my first time knowing about this, right, Mr. Goodman?
Yes.
So what's going on?
With me?
Yes.
You know, Your Honor, I made a mistake. The first time, you know, when I went through treatment, I was only here 3 months, and I didn't really work on myself. I was kind of just doing it to, you know, go through the motions. This time when I came back, I delved deeper into mental health issues. I've delved deeper into things that are causing the alcohol and some of the reasons of why I drink. I've worked on impulsivity and making better choices.
You're giving me mixed signals, Mr. Goodman. You're giving me mixed signals. Before when we first met, these are all the things that you were saying then. and I was buying it. And now you have a slip up, and now you're telling me basically the same stuff over and over, basically the same stuff you said before. And it doesn't sound as good now.
I mean, I don't know how to rephrase it any better. I mean, I'm doing what I need to do on my end to get over this hump of alcoholism.
I'm not trying to ask you to rephrase it any better. I guess it's just it's disappointing.
Yeah,
on the one,
I'm disappointed in myself. That's, you know.
How often is he testing?
He is testing frequently.
All right. How long is it going to take you to get this where would he never told you about the or what they never got to you about the
classes?
What was your slip up? What did you do?
So I was at a sober house, and it was a Saturday afternoon. I had gotten some alcohol, and I drank, and they had ended up kicking me out of the sober house. So I decided to check myself back into treatment that next week. I mean,
what was the reason? What was the reason why?
I don't have a reason, Your Honor. I'm just I was pretty impulsive that day. I just made a poor choice.
And when was that?
That was in September of 2025.
Why has it been so long since he hasn't seen me? Is this the date we set for the next action date? The last time he was here? And when was the last time he was here?
We never had a review in front of you on this, gentleman.
I know, but they should have told you though.
Yeah, there was never a review set in front of you. The reason why I didn't get that, and I never did get it, one of the reasons why my notes indicate that he was placed on probation August 20th, and I seen him in September. So maybe he did that right after probation and enrolled himself into an inpatient facility.
But what I'm saying is that the monitoring is it doesn't seem to be, if we're not getting the information that he's positive for alcohol, then it's a problem.
Yeah.
Do you see what I'm saying?
So my guess is to clarify what you're getting at, and I know exactly what you're getting at. It appears to me that he did not drop dirty while he was in the 5 months of the facility.
Okay.
And it was before I was even spoke to him, according to my notes and according to his admission, that his admission was in September, and I didn't speak to him for like 3 weeks after he was placed on probation. So,
Mr. Goodman.
So the facility,
yes, sir.
Have you ever had you ever gotten a positive test out of any of your testing?
No, sir. No, I showed up here completely clean. I just needed a reset and to work on some things again, you know, that I must have missed the first time that I was in treatment.
All right, go ahead. What do you recommend?
Mr. Goodman, I just want to understand that there's 2 classes you still have to do. The alcohol highway safety class, and you got to do a Mothers Against Drunk Drivers. It's a presentation put on by Mothers Against Drunk Drivers. It's called the Victims Impact Panel. Okay? And as you know, there's fines, costs, and fees involved. So eventually you can pay those online.
Have you gotten have they given you a substance abuse evaluation there?
Yeah, absolutely.
Can we get a copy of that?
I can have it sent over to Mr. Schiatti at any time, an updated, you know, treatment plan.
Yeah, why don't you do that? I think the judge will be a lot more comfortable, and so will I, to get an updated progress report with the therapist's credentials, and she does a good job when she does it. So yes, I would like another one.
Are
Yeah,
you doing?
Your Honor, I am well aware that I do need to do the MAD class and the victims panel. I've just been kind of focusing on me, and I just recently got the job, so I do intend to pay off all fines and do both classes.
Are you in Alcoholics Anonymous?
I go to meetings at least 3 times a week. There's in-house meetings here, yes. In between, I do treatment from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. And then I also work and do meetings here. So yes.
All right, make sure we get the meetings that you confirm that you're doing the meetings as well.
I could do that, yes.
How long is it going to take you to pay this off and get this and get these classes done?
Well, to be honest with you, I don't have a whole time frame. Like I said, I just started working, so I'm trying to build a bank account. I know my probation is supposed to end in 6 months. I mean, how long do you think I should have?
I don't think it's going to take. I think we're going to get you out further than 6 months. You're telling me that you've violated. I'm going to have you back on May 19th, 2026. May 19th, 2026.
That sounds good.
And you know what we need from you, most importantly, to stay sober this time, and then secondly, getting the other classes and the money paid.
So you want to pay before May? Before the next court date?
May 19th, yes.
May 19th.
You have a time, Your Honor?
At 8:25.
Okay.
a.m. All right, Mr. Goodman, I'm going to wish you best of luck again. I hope you can get it right this time.
Yeah, that's my intention again, Your Honor. I mean, I apologize for the mess up. I'm human, and like I said, I must have missed a few things last time I was here. So things are moving in the right direction. That's all I can say.
All right, very well. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Appreciate it. Mr. Ciotti, I'll make sure them papers get sent over, sir.
Okay, perfect. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.
You're welcome. All right. Who are we ready on? Are we ready on anyone? Mr. Bobman, you have Mr. Lowe is here. You're waiting on a trial.
Yes, Your Honor. We are just inside of the
Thank
line
you.
for my motion.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning. Let's see. Lowe. He's got a few more minutes. Is that the only one you have, Mr. Bobman?
No, I also have Neftali Lopez. He's also waiting. I don't even want to mention the name, but that officer hasn't come in yet either. So
He's here. That
Okay.
officer's here.
Okay, I'm glad to know that, Your Honor. I will ask then if Mr. Lopez and I can retire to.
You may. You have privileges. Mr. Barton, are you ready on anyone?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. I'm sorry. Yes, we're ready on Mr. Lewis, Mr. Roger Lewis. My understanding the officer.
Well,
There we go.
The officer has a few seconds. Oh, Roderick Lewis.
Yes.
We have a few more minutes for the officer to appear.
No problem, Your Honor.
Let's see here.
We're still trying to locate Miss Grant.
Good morning, Corporal Bennett. Any other officers here that I haven't? Officer Pitts, good morning to you. All right. Any other officers here? All right, we're just waiting on an attorney now. Can we get, I don't. All right, here we go, Mr. Barton. This is the city of Detroit versus Roderick Keith Lewis, case number SP 180-88951. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please his honorable court, Darnell Barton, P 83363 on behalf of Mr. Roderick Lewis. Sir, can you state your full name only for the record, please?
Roderick Keith Lewis.
Thank you,
All
sir.
right, good morning to you. I just got a note from
Good morning.
From Ms. Horn. We're going to dismiss the case. The officer has no recollection. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, sir. Your honor. Thank you and the staff. Have a great day, guys.
Thank you, sir. You too.
All right, very well.
Your honor, I apologize for the interruption. We've been trying to locate Miss Sierra Grant. We had some issues. I believe her phone was turned off at the time where our last
Sarah
meeting.
Grant is here. Sarah Grant is here. Sarah Grant.
No, I have a Sierra Grant, not Sarah.
Yeah, Sierra.
Unfortunately, but she's set for trial today. I would not be doing my due diligence if I didn't ask to waive her presence, Your Honor, and see if the officer did appear today.
All right, well, talk to the city about it too.
I'll do that.
All right.
I'll do that. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. Morning. Person. Yeah. I have you checked in, Mr. O'Neill. Good morning to you. Can we get Ms. Horn in here, please?
Checking. Okay.
Let's cut off for officers. Ms. Harris, are we ready?
Yeah, that can start on someone else, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Anthony Delano Gay, case number SP 124-6564, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gay, please state your name for the record.
Anthony Gay.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf. Give the dollar bond. Good morning to you, Mr. Gay. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room 5, Ms. Harris. Speak to Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you do when you come out, please.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Let's go back on the record, Mr. Gay. Mr. Gay, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants to plead to the loudspeaker.
That is correct, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, sir? I didn't hear you.
Yes, sir.
This is a 4 or 5-year-old ticket, almost 4.5-year-old ticket.
Did advise a trial date is not a bad option. He wishes to take care of it today.
You say what?
I did advise that a trial date was an option, and he prefers to take care of it today.
All right. Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You say what?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Put your hand out. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines? Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
Did she? I can't really understand you. Can you take the earpiece out or something and speak without that? All right.
Yes. Can you hear now?
That's better. You understand? So Ms. Harris went over the other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Your Honor, she did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention way back to September the 5th, 2021 at around 6:29 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Davison and Conan. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
And were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And did you have your music playing in that motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
And if I was 10 feet away from your motor vehicle, could I hear your music?
Yes.
All right. I know it doesn't sound like much, but that's what the statute says.
Yes.
Find you guilty as charged, $240, 3-month delay. Stipulate the probable cause, will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. Come back on May the 19th at 8:25. If it's paid, you don't get any other trouble like this. You don't even have to come back. But if it's not paid, then I need to see you. Or if you get another ticket like that, pay at any DibDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DibDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, best of, pardon me?
I come down court.
All right, very well. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Sean Gazzani. Give me the correct pronunciation, sir.
Sean Gaziani, sir.
Gaziani. Good morning
Yes,
to you.
sir.
This is the city of
Good
Detroit
morning.
versus Sean Gaziani. Case number SP 184-29481. Appearance, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Sean Gaziani.
All right. Good morning to you. Our day is date and time. It's set for a show cause. Go ahead, counselor, for purposes of arraignment.
My client stands mute, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. The ticket reads, Ms. Harris, that causing a disturbance and would not leave location. All right. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Mr. Gaziani, with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. I will pass the matter. Mr. Obey.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you. Do you want us to appoint you an
Good morning.
attorney?
As of right now, or would it be rescheduled?
It will be rescheduled. I'm gonna give the time that I can't drink anything. I'm sorry. I'm on fast. Almost took that bad boy too.
How long you going?
It would be, I would bring you back on the 13th, give you an opportunity, give that appointed attorney the opportunity to come talk to you and call you. I would need your number.
Okay, that's fine. What if I was to bring my own attorney?
That would be up to you.
Okay, that's fine. I could do that.
So are you bringing your own attorney, or you want the court to appoint you one?
I could bring my own attorney.
State of Michigan versus Haman Obey, case number SX 61011181. Appearance, state your name for the record, please.
They're bringing the file.
I'm Obeyed.
Oh, Haman, okay. There's date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. I'm entering not guilty plea on your behalf and give you a $0 bond. I'm gonna set a pretrial date of March 13th, 2026. No, it's gonna be March 16th. March 16th, 2026 at 8:30. And I'm marking you retaining an attorney. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Officer Daoud.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. So you came in after the cutoff. So that's okay. I'll just dismiss the case, but I won't mark you as not appeared, okay?
Okay, sir. I appreciate you. Thank you.
If you want to speak to the city, you can join one. If not, you're free to leave.
I'm all good. Your Honor. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Very well. Have a great day. Be safe.
You as well.
Ms. Horn says she's on her way. Officer Morales.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
We have a cutoff period of, I give a half-hour grace period, and you're outside of that grace period, so I'm gonna dismiss the case. I won't mark you as not a, mark you as no officer. I will allow you to speak with the city attorney if you'd like, though, as well. If you don't need to, free to leave.
Okay. I apologize, Judge. I was actually in a different courtroom on a different case, but no, we can just go ahead and dismiss.
No need to apologize. All right, be safe.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. Lowe is ready. Are you ready on Mr. Lowe, Mr. Boffman?
I am, yes, Your Honor, thank you.
City of Detroit versus Antonio Orlando Lowe, case number SP 149-76381, SP 138-47571, James and Travis, and U7-244-9125. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Sir, please give your full name, Mr. Lowe. You're on mute. Your device is on mute.
Send him the prompt.
I am.
I did it. I do have
There he is. Go, Mr. Lowe.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lowe. State your name for the record, please. All right, he's still muted. I did have Officer Dawad come in. I did mention to him that he was past the time and I was going to dismiss the case. I indicated to him that I would not mark no officer, though. Is there Officer Brittany Moss? Officer Brittany Moss. Officer BNCA, Matthew Binka. Did you ever get unmuted, Mr. Lowe? Good morning. You state your name for the record, please.
He's still having difficulty, Your Honor.
All right. I see Mr. Lowe on the camera. Cases are going to be dismissed for what was stated in the record. Stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Best of luck to you both. Have a very good rest of your day. I'm sure you heard that, though.
Yeah. Did you hear, Mr. Lowe? Case dismissed. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
On his behalf, we thank you.
All right. No, you're welcome. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ghazani. Mr. Ghazani, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. He needs an appointed attorney.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to set a pretrial date for March 16th, 2026 at 8:30. I need you to answer the call, sir, that you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we're going to get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any further questions?
No, you said March 16th, right?
March 16th at 8:30.
Okay.
There's nothing further. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
Ms. Harris, this is the City of Detroit versus Tommy Roosevelt Lawton, case number SP 179-5624, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
How you doing?
Cherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Tommy Lawton.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
All right, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give your client a $0 bond. Good morning to you, Mr. Lawton.
Good morning.
I'm I'll put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room, you let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
All right. Officer Martin, let's pass the matter. Mr. Berry, you have a question?
Your Honor, Mr. Godboldo requires another attorney. If we could impose one on the court.
All right, he's not. Let's put him in another room. All right. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Tyler Daniel Lawrence. Case number U7. Wait a minute. This was supposed to have an appointed attorney. Unless he missed a court date.
I don't mean to interrupt you, Your Honor. This is Tyler Lawrence. I'm here.
Good morning to you.
I spoke with my attorney last night. He said he would be here. He made sure he verified that I would be here.
Your attorney, who is that person?
To be 100% honest, I don't know his name. I have his number in my call logs, though.
I know who his attorney is, please, Ms. Mathis. Thank you. All right, let's pass that. R. Graham.
Yes, hi.
Raven Graham. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Raven Chanel Graham. Case numbers SP 1844795, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1844796. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Graham.
Raven Chanel Graham.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay, I will.
You can run her license. Please. Did we find
Frank Masari.
Frank Massaria? All right, we need to get Frank Massaria, please. That's your attorney's name.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Jasmine Grayson. Do you have,
Yes.
do you have valid insurance?
Yes.
Can you show the court, or you want to send it to us? Or how do you want to do it? You have to turn your
I can-
background off. You have to
I'm
see it with the
sorry.
City of Detroit versus Jasmine Grayson, case number SP 1840621. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Grayson.
Jasmine Shakira Grayson.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Let's see what you have as far as insurance. Hold it still. You gotta pull it over to your right, I think. There we go. All right, you can put it down. Let's see. Grayson. Is that? Let's see it again. That's for different vehicles. Slide it over. Okay, I see your name. Is that, what happened to this 2025 vehicle you had?
I don't no longer have it.
You no longer have it?
Yeah, it was damaged. It's not drivable or anything.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Okay. I'm sorry. Let's go back on the record with Miss Raven Graham. Mr. Berry, I've given you an opportunity to speak to your client. What does your client want to do? License is valid.
Yes, that being the case, Your Honor, the remaining matters to be dismissed. She has shown valid registration.
Case dismissed. Miss Graham, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you. You as well.
Thank you. City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus what happened to Ben Lucas?
You said Ben Lucas.
Yes. I printed it out.
I see it.
All right, City of Detroit versus Ben Lee Edward Lucas. Case number SP 184-09601. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lucas.
You have to press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Lucas. Thank you. Press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Lucas. Mr. Ben Lucas, can you press *6 to unmute yourself, please? Ben Lucas, press *6 to unmute yourself. All right, we'll pass it. City of Detroit versus Lachelle Monique Green. Case numbers SP 184-26711, SP 184-26861, SP 184-3409, counts 1 and 2 and counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Lachelle Green.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Green. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a pretrial. Is only one of them on the docket, Mr. Berry. I counted 4 cases into the record. You have your pen ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
An expired plate. And the one that's on the docket, I believe, is an unregistered. No, it's a no insurance misdemeanor. And 2 unregistered untitles misdemeanors. So expired plate, 2 unregistered untitles, and 1 no insurance misdemeanor. Miss Green, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay,
have your
great.
camera next time. Do not come when I call your name. Have your camera on, please.
Okay.
All right, join the room, please. Mr. Lucas, if you want to hang up and call back in, or you press *6 to unmute yourself. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Tommy Lawton Mr. Lawton, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
He is respectfully requesting permission to pay the reinstatement fee up front, and he's also asking for an attorney to be appointed.
All right, I'll allow him to pay his refee up front. I need you to answer the call. You don't recognize one of those calls, should be that appointed attorney. Is that 813?
Yes.
All right, and if you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on March the 16th at 8:30. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lawton, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
You said March 16th?
March 16th, yes,
At what time?
at 8:30.
8:30. And can I pay that I'm out of state. Can I pay that? How do I pay that reinstatement fee?
Get somebody down here to pay it for you.
And how much is it?
$45.
And that'll get my license cleared and back.
Well, I don't know what it's gonna, it should, if you don't have anything else affecting it, it
Okay.
probably is. You know, that's affecting your license here, that should get it back.
Okay, so I just gotta send somebody down there to pay it for me?
Yes, they have to come in person. There's no better way I can allow you to do it.
Oh man. Okay, there's no way I can do it online or do it over the phone. Okay, and that's they gotta come to the 36th District Court?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Lawton, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Ms. Grant, you're gonna have to come better attired than you are. Is that a robe you have on, ma'am?
It's a shirt, but okay.
Is a shirt, ma'am? Is that a shirt or a robe?
It's a shirt, but I can I
If
guess
it's
I
a
can
shirt, then if it's a shirt, then it's a shirt. But if you're not telling me the truth and it's something else, because it looked like a robe to me. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance as well as registration, and we would seek dismissal.
Case dismissed, ma'am. You still owe the court a significant amount of money.
Oh, I'm sure.
All
I'm
right,
aware.
have a great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you, okay?
You too. Be safe. Have a nice day.
You as well. All right. Mr. Lucas, he must have fell asleep, huh? Are you ready, Miss Grant?
Yes.
It's the city of Detroit versus Sarah Grant. Case numbers SP 1844813, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1844861. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Grant.
Sarah Grant.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time. You can run her license. Set for a pre-trial, Ms. Grant. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? That's the matter. Miss Harris, can you go in 6? Mr. Berry and Mr. Godbold he couldn't speak to him.
Is there an offer?
I don't think so.
Okay.
He's got a lot of cases. Good morning to you, Miss Cox.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning.
And good morning to you, Mr. Dupree. Ms. Cox, can you state your name for the record, please?
Maria Cox, COX.
All right, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Luis Alfredo Mata Gutierrez, case number SP 183-13902.
Este es el caso contra el señor Luis Gutiérrez, SP 18313982.
Sí.
Yes.
Good morning to you. State your name for the record, sir.
Señor, por favor, diga su nombre para las escrituras.
Luis Alfredo Mata Gutiérrez.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review. You were supposed to pay $175 and I don't see that you paid it.
Hoy es la fecha para una revisión. Usted ha debido pagar $175, pero no veo que los haya pagado.
Pero a mí me dijeron que tenía que cumplir 6 horas de labor social.
So they told me that I had to do 6 hours of community service.
Okay, I was wondering why he was here. Hold that up, please.
Mantenga eso, no sabía por qué usted estaba aquí. Por favor, mantenga eso sobre la pantalla.
Okay.
Yesterday.
All right, we're going to close your matter out. Completed community service. We're going to thank you for the completion of the community service.
Entonces voy a cerrar su caso ahora y porque usted cumplió con las labores de servicio a la comunidad, queda su caso ya resuelto.
Okay, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, best of luck to you, sir.
Buena suerte, señor.
Gracias.
We have another client too as well. You have a very good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Buena suerte, señor. Puede desconectarse.
When we get the attorney, we'll get that client together.
Your Honor, I don't mean to interrupt. I just have a quick question.
Yeah, we're waiting on the attorney. What's your question?
I was just wondering if he doesn't show up, because I expressed to him last night I was supposed to have a couple teeth extracted this morning, and it's just getting close to that time. So I was just, with all due respect, if he doesn't show up anytime soon.
Call. He's not with Dupree, is he? No, he's with Whitey. He's with Whitey. Yeah, he's with Whitey.
I did send a text.
Tell me, to come on in here.
Judge, did you see the Fernandez call?
No, I did. Did you get it? It was supposed to be in another courtroom. It's got another. It's
I
got.
called it. It was from yesterday.
It was from yesterday. But on the another, if you look at the one ticket, it says my name at the top, but it's look at it. It's got my name on the thing, but it doesn't have my. Let me see. He should be here momentarily, Mr. Lawrence.
Thank you, Your Honor.
iPhone, I just let you in the room. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please?
I'm sorry about that, Stephanie G.
Stephanie G?
Yes.
Were you supposed to be here yesterday?
It says today. He texted me yesterday to tell me I had court today. Yeah,
I
he
think
texted
you're
me at 8:40 p.m. and said, please remember you have court tomorrow at 10 a.m. It
at
says
10 a.m.
219.
219. Oh, you're supposed to be in 219. You're not
No, no,
supposed to be.
it says 10 a.m. on 219-26.
Gee,
Yeah, I saw that.
I thought I saw that yesterday too, but let's see.
So my D 360-535-0000.
Yeah, this is something. This ticket and stuff. He was on Larry Williams, like, but they said it for ours. But I did 45.
What's the ticket number, Miss G?
I don't have the ticket number. It's so long ago. I have to see if I can find it. I got a
What's
case number. Huh?
what's your full name?
Stephanie Louise G.
I don't see anything here open for you.
He said it was supposed to be for so I don't have anything on my record, but it's showing up for
I
background.
know. He's in there talking. I know. I got it. All right. I know. All right. Motion here. Motion here for Stephanie G.
You said motion here?
Yeah, I have that right here.
Oh, you do? You had a paper?
All right. Let me see who this is.
I think that's the file right here.
Warren says he's there. All right. Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor, for your patience.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gaboldo. I mean, strike that. Let's go back on. Yeah. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gaboldo. Mr. Gaboldo, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We are respectfully requesting a trial date. And if there are
All right,
any
what-
reinstatement fees that need to be paid, we are asking for an opportunity to do so.
He's got a lot. What was the issue with you and Mr. Barry?
Yeah, Mr. Capoto, I think we've resolved the issue. He just needed to be, I guess, probably just advised of everything that was going on and his options, and we have cleared that up. So we are just asking for that trial date, please and thank you.
Well, I'm gonna let you know that once you get the attorney, you don't have your right to get whatever attorney you want to unless you go and hire your own attorney, okay?
I understand.
All right. I'm gonna allow him to, he's got 4 at least. One. I don't think it's gonna make a difference, Ms. Harris. It's not even gonna matter. Because he needs to, he's got an open OWI case. So,
Is that in front of this court, Your Honor?
no. So it's not gonna matter until he gets that adjudicated anyway. Unless it got adjudicated or dismissed, anything that we did with the reinstatement fees is not going to matter because he's not going to get a license until that case is resolved some type of way. And these cases are pretty old. 258, he has a substantial balance on the tickets, but 258 is one, two, that's a no insurance civil, no insurance proof 288, another no insurance proof 288, another no insurance proof 336, and another no insurance proof 336 is what I see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So no insurance civil, no insurance proofs. Those are the ones when you get ready to start taking this and paying this stuff off, those are the ones you should pay off first because those are the ones that aren't giving you clearances here. But with that OWI, you're going to have to get that adjudicated first. March the 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m., Mr. Gabolo. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Do you have anyone, or Ms. Harris, Ms. Horn is here.
I need to speak with Ms. Horn about the one matter from earlier. Thank you.
Ms. G, your attorney is here speaking to the city.
Okay.
I'm gonna get you in a few minutes, Mr. Lucas, and I have an interpreter for you, Mr. Fernandez.
Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Sarah Grant. Ms. Grant, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, Ms. Grant's license is valid.
Thank you, Your Honor. In light of that, the people offer blocking traffic for the failure to stop at a stop sign and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for $75. When can you pay it, ma'am?
I can pay half of it tomorrow, if that's okay.
Well, give me the date you're gonna have it all paid off. I'm just gonna give you that, put that date in there.
I can do the 6th of March.
All right, pay it by March 6, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. And further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Mr. Barry, this is the city of Detroit versus Ben Lee Edward Lucas. Case number SP 184-09601. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lucas.
Ben Lee Edward Lucas.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial, arraignment, show cause. Go ahead, purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter not guilty on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lucas, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do. He's in there. We'll pass the matter. Are you ready, Mr. Barton?
Your Honor.
You say, I didn't hear you.
My apologies, Your Honor, for interrupting. I spoke with Madam Prosecutor on the Sierra Grant case, and she is in agreement to stipulate to adjourn the trial to a new date. So we're not waiving presence.
Officer didn't appear. Did you tell her the officer didn't appear?
I did. I'm not quite sure.
Yeah, what? I understand.
I know, but yes, I know she's doing what she can. So we'll just have to come back on another date, I guess. But
And
again,
have you had any contact with her at all?
oh, I have. Yes, we spoke to her. We do a week ahead call, so we spoke to her then. Then she even called back. I'm actually concerned. She hasn't missed dates. So my assistant's calling the number now. I mean, this is a surprise to me, to be honest with you, Your Honor. That's why I asked to waive her presence so that she can move forward, because she had been adamant about this date.
All right, we'll give her a few more minutes. Do you have someone else?
No, that's it, Your Honor. I can hang tight. I'm in another courtroom right now anyway.
All right, very well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Master Greer Bay. Master Greer Bay. Can you unmute yourself, please? Start your camera, state your name. Master Greer Bay. I'm going to put you out. Master Greer Bay. Good morning to you, sir.
Great day, my honor.
Yeah, how can we help you?
Um, they said they sent me sent some paper to my residence, to my grandmother's house. I don't know. I paid the ticket. I tried to join last time. It wouldn't let me. I was having the same difficulty saying connecting.
What's your full name?
Byron Lee Greer Bay II. That would be me.
All right. Very well. All right, give me a minute. Mr. Dupree.
Yes, Judge.
We have Miss G here.
We're ready, Judge, when the court is.
This is just on this motion. Is there any contest to this?
Ms. Horn said that the people have no objection.
All right, I'll just sign it.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. G, you can log off. I'll follow up with you.
Thank you, Mr. Dupree.
Be safe, Ms. G.
All right, thank you.
All right, that's here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, he's almost it's Miss G's file. I don't know where if you have that. It's Miss Stephanie G. All right, be safe. Do you have you're not with Masaria, are you? She needs to get in here.
To quote my ex-wife, you're not with anybody. No, no, I'm not with anybody, Judge. Thank you very much. Have good seeing you. Have a good morning.
All right, be safe. All right, you want to come back, Mr. Lawrence?
Yes, sir. That would be preferred.
All right, you want to come back tomorrow morning?
I actually have physical. If tomorrow afternoon's fine, I have physical therapy in the morning though.
No, we'll come back on Monday morning then.
Monday morning. Is there a specific time?
8:30.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Tell Mr. I'm sorry to zoom in at 8:30 Monday morning. Can you run Mr. Gilbert's license, please? Ms. Cox, those case numbers, if you want them.
Sure, Your Honor.
Michelle Fernandez is SP 185-1739, counts one.
I'm sorry, 185.
1739, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 185-1739, counts 1 and counts 2.
Great, thank you. And the other one, Your Honor?
Those are just the two, count 1 and count 2 of that.
Okay, and I do have the case number for Mr. Gutierrez, Almata Gutierrez, that you just saw. I have SP 1831392. That's what you
Correct.
called. Okay, thank you.
Ms. Harris, are we ready on that? Mr. Griffin?
Ready.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Antonio Griffin. Mr. Griffin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel is a dismissal.
It's a dismissal, Your Honor, per city attorney. Thank you.
All right. If it's nothing further, Mr. Griffin, have a best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day. Case dismissed.
That included the off-docket matters that went along with that. I just wanted to make sure that was clear too.
Yeah. Yeah, all right. Case dismissed. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a nice day, okay, sir?
You as well. All right, Mr. Harris, Mr. Fernandez needs an interpreter. This is the city of Detroit versus Daryl Fernandez, case number SP 185-1739, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Señor Fernández, han llamado a su caso SP 185713991. Por favor, digan los nombres para las escrituras.
Darlis Michelle Espinal.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Ms. Harris I think it's show cause, purposes of arraignment.
Abogada Harris, el propósito de la audiencia de hoy es para lo que se llama demostrar causas. ¿Qué dice usted, abogada, con respecto a la lectura de cargos?
Sorry, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Con el propósito sobre la lectura de cargos, mi cliente se queda en silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond.
Vamos a poner una declaración de no culpable bajo el nombre de su cliente y le damos una fianza de $0.
The two cases are driving while license never acquired, and improper equipment. And he also owes on an old case $210 on a blocking traffic.
Los dos cargos es de que bloqueaba el tráfico y tiene dos cargos pendientes ahora. Además tiene que debe $210 de otro cargo anterior.
Put you in the breakout room. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to.
Entonces nos van a mandar a un cuarto privado para que la abogada hable con usted, tenga consciente de que si usted no quiere aceptar la oferta que le hagan, puede pedir un juicio.
He's in there.
Okay, I will go there, Your Honor.
Pass the matter. It's going to be Daquan Gilbert next, James O'Neill, Shaquila, Lindsay Abuday. Give me the correct pronunciation again, ma'am. Sorry. And then Lopez and Goodwin. Lopez may jump Goodwin. If the attorney's ready.
Your Honor,
Yes, give me the correct pronunciation again. I'm sorry.
it's Odabi.
Odabi. And Shaquila?
Shaquila.
Shaquila, I always mess it up. All right, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Shaquila. Let's see what Miss Odabi has. Do you have valid insurance, ma'am?
Your Honor, I have insurance, but I don't have the proof with me right now.
Oh, okay. When can you have the proof?
I can send it in to the court. If you
Right now? Can you email it to me now?
My vehicle is not with me at the moment. That's why I don't have it.
So you're saying two things, ma'am. You're saying two different things. I'm hearing two different things. That's what. When will you have the insurance?
Your Honor,
You
I can send the proof in to you. I'll have my vehicle back. My daughter is driving my vehicle, so that's why it's the insurance is in the car.
Well, what, you can't get the insurance company to email it to me?
Yeah, I'm sure I can do that.
That way I can get you. You don't have to come back. All right, let's go back on the record, Mr. Berry, with Mr. Ben Lucas. Mr. Lucas, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lucas?
Yes. I do.
All right. All right, I'm gonna give you a pre-trial date. Strike that. I'm gonna give you a trial date of March the 13th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Daquan Gilbert, case number SP 185-3591, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 185-3592, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gilbert.
Daquan Gilbert.
Good morning to you, sir. Take your hat off, please. All right, Mr. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stay in mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give the client a $0 bond. Mr. Gilbert, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, join the room, please. We'll pass the matter. All right, I'm sending this. I sent you a note. What do you want to do, Ms. Odabi? Do you want to bring it back later, or what do you want to do? Or you want to tell them to send it now?
I don't have the proof right now. Can I give it to you later, or can I send it in directly to the court? I don't know how I can do it.
I sent my email address. You get them send it to the court. I can set you a pretrial date, and you can get it to me.
Okay.
This is the city of Detroit versus Shaquila Lindsay Odabi, case number SP 184-3801. Miss Odabi, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Shaquila Lindsay Odabi.
All right, date and time set for a show cause. I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. I'm gonna set a pretrial date for strike that, March the 26th. March the 16th, March the 16th at 8:30, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
Take a screenshot of my email address and have that proof sent over to me ahead of time, and it'll be a little quicker, okay?
Okay, I'll do that.
All right, best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
And Your Honor, people are just checking.
I'm sorry, I was trying to find out where Miss Odabi was on the
On show cause, just one line, right under Lewis and before Lloyd. 845 on the third page. Mr. Carpenter, your client left. He had to go to a dentist appointment. You're here from Massaria?
Yeah, or I'm here for Tyler Lawrence. He's my client.
Yeah, so he had to go to a dentist appointment.
Okay.
It's 9:45. I haven't heard from anybody.
Yeah, I apologize about that, Your Honor. I have had multiple clients I have been dealing with today.
Yeah, well, you have to come and you have to call the court and let us know what you're doing and where you're at. That's the handle that.
Okay.
All right, he said he had a dentist appointment and he'll be back Monday morning, 8:30.
Okay, thank you.
I did text Frank.
Okay.
All
And
right,
Judge, I'm just
all right.
checking on Richard Gomez just to see if he's here, if I can release the officers.
I haven't seen Richard Gomez.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
What's the issue with Sierra Grant? The officer didn't appear. Mr. Barton indicates that he's had constant contact with his client, but he just can't see where she is today. What's going on with that?
After speaking with Mr. Barton, we stipulated to adjourn because both of the people we need to move forward with trial are not here. So he's going to stipulate to adjourn and I believe reach out to her, and then I'll check into the officer as well, Your Honor.
So I was, if I may, Madam Prosecutor, of course I would do so out of, professional respect, courtesy. I would also ask, though, in this case, that we waive her presence since she's been here. And if they want to refile, that they would. Again, just a request that we would ask. Totally understand.
The people would object, Your Honor. I can check on the officer if the court is willing to give me about 15 minutes and see if I can reach out to the officer. I don't have that in front of me. Does the court have the officer for Sierra Grant? Because all I have is the attorney's name on the docket.
It matters not because he can't get in touch with his client, but he indicated to the court that his client has been here every time. I'll just put another date on there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The officer is Timothy Grima. I've never seen him before. All
yes,
right,
I spoke to him yesterday, actually. Yes, thank you, Your Honor. Oh, we're gonna move for dismissal.
Oh,
that's what it was. I thought about it. I said, Timothy Grima. We spoke yesterday and we've been trying to get discovery from him. This is a reckless, correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay, yes. Thank you for the yeah, so we're gonna move for dismissal.
Thank you. Yes.
For no recollection, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
City of Detroit versus Sierra Grant, case number SB 179-81371. Appearance for the record, please.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. Officer Timothy Grima is not present, but we do have a motion to dismiss for no recollection, Your Honor.
And may it please this honorable court, Darnell Barton, P83363, on behalf of Ms. Sierra Grant, Your Honor, respectfully asking to waive her presence today for this hearing.
All right, I waive the presence. This case dismissed, no recollection. Best of luck to you, Mr. Barton. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you to you and
okay.
You guys have a wonderful.
You too. Thank you, Judge.
All right, let's go. You're welcome. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilbert. Mr. Gilbert, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
All right. Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gilbert? Mr. Gilbert, are you there?
Yes, sir.
All right, come back on March the 16th at 9 a.m., okay?
All right, yes, sir.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
Mr. Berry, this is going to be the City of Detroit versus James Antonio O'Neill Jr. Case numbers SP 1485261, SP 1531137, SP 1531137, SP 1485033, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. O'Neill.
James Antonio O'Neill Jr.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. It's past the matter. Pardon me? All right. I think Officer Joshua Martin, good morning to you. You're free to leave. Mr. Gomez never show. Be safe out there. Mr. Boffman, are we ready on Lopez?
Judge, we're gonna need an interpreter for the plea.
Okay.
So,
yeah, Ms. Cox is here.
Okay. So I asked Mr. Lopez to go back to the breakout room.
Let's see if we can switch him and he.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Your Honor. I'll be right back.
You're welcome.
What?
Hey, what's one?
What?
What's funny? Tell me something funny.
Your new stand, long time.
You saw my stand, mine.
He said, well,
I was missing the little typing stand, so it kind of helps me.
It was right there. Too.
Oh, yeah, that's.
No, it was behind it.
Oh, what are they doing?
When I fixed this thing, that's how I could see it, because it was behind that, I couldn't see it.
and they're going after legal refugees now.
Wow.
So they gonna have to who?
Legal refugees.
So, well, why though?
You said legal refugees?
Yeah.
Why they said a whole bunch of, I don't know how true it was. Somewhere in Arizona,
What's the basis? How are they doing that?
It's because they say they want to. That's what the headlines say.
Wow. Why are they acting like that?
And it powers to detain legal refugees awaiting green card to ensure they are revetted.
So I'm assuming they're saying they're going after them and making sure they legit.
No, they're trying to make sure, maybe they're trying to make sure that they haven't gotten any cases or anything, maybe so, I don't know. Or, yeah, or to make sure that they got that their legal refugee statuses was, they're gonna go over that or anything.
I don't believe. Yeah.
Something on Instagram, I said I was gonna pull it up. It said somewhere in Arizona, like 600 was all packed up. That time and moving back to Mexico.
Wow. That's a lot of people.
Yeah, I don't know that.
To happen at one time.
Guess you figured you better go instead of getting locked up and waiting on that, whatever the prison for.
They probably had a meeting
Just
like
gonna
that.
go ahead and go back, yeah.
We might as
I don't know
well.
if I'm quoting the number right. I said I was gonna put it up because I heard it this morning while I was getting ready for work. I was like, dang, that's a lot of people.
It is a lot of people.
I figured if you're going to get it, let's leave it. I don't want to see you staying around.
Yeah, eventually they're gonna find something.
Okay, things make sense.
Yeah. Makes you wonder what's Mexico like now with all those new people that were sent back. So what's their economy and society like? With a million people, or millions of people added just like that. And forced.
But that guy be watching, he's just silly. I gotta make sure he gets up. That's right.
Judge, you on tonight on the show?
That was, what's today? That was Tuesday night.
Oh, I thought it was every Thursday. What the heck? I was waiting.
Tuesday,
Oh,
7 o'clock.
some people Thursday. Okay, Tuesday at 7 o'clock. So how was it? How was that one?
Well, I think it went well.
Okay.
I'm not very good at watching myself though, you know, so I let them read the comments and do all that. And some people ask some questions.
It's a good, I love it. I love the show. It's I like the idea of it, you know.
Yeah.
So I think it's nice.
I felt upset. I put Miss Mathis to sleep, so it wasn't that good.
No, I did not know. That's not it.
I think it that way. I had forgot that it came on.
So it's good if you have insomnia.
No. I mean, I like the part because he was talking about how his son was in the car with the hood. And he was like, you're gonna have to take that off.
Yeah.
And they wound up getting pulled over because I used to be at my great nephew about wearing the hood all the time. Because he would wear it all the time.
It's unfortunate, but those are the things that we gotta deal with.
That part, and yeah, that's good. Most likely stuck out to one of my brothers making a lawsuit because he jogs every morning. It's very dark, like really dark complexion. So he would wear irons, jog every morning, and he ran into the queer. I didn't know that, and they hit the button.
I can never forget. I can never forget the sports. I can never forget the sports commentators telling that no, what's the Lamar Jackson is so good at the handoff, and is so deceptive because of his dark skin and the ball and the color of the. I was like, oh my God.
You know what blows my mind?
It blows my mind.
When I see the black sports commentator sitting next to them and say nothing about it. Say nothing about you making a comment like that on national television.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. O'Neill. Mr. O'Neill, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to allowing for the case ending in 0331 and improper plates for the no registration charge, that case ending in 0332. the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, Mr. O'Neill, please. Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to July the 31st, 2023 at around 12:08 p.m., in the city of Detroit in the area of Nevada and Greeley. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I think that was the day I probably got told.
Operating a 2013 Dodge?
Journey, yeah.
Say that again?
The Dodge Journey, yes.
Okay, and did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license and insurance?
I don't remember. This was 3 years ago.
Did you have license and insurance at the time?
No. I think I was still on my 30-day insurance from when I got my car from the dealership.
You don't know, do you?
No, I don't know for surely, but that could be a possibility. Like I said, it
Well,
was
I
3
know I
years
can
ago.
find them. You didn't have a driver's license at that time, did you?
No.
I know I can find him guilty of the amended count of allowing. As far as the insurance, he says he thinks he's on his 30-day. I don't know what that means.
When I had pulled out of the dealership, I don't know what they did, but somehow I had got some type of 30-day insurance.
I don't have a clue about that. They gave you some 30-day insurance. That was what you when you bought the car. That was the.
Yeah,
That was
Dad gave me a paper plate and said, I don't know.
That was not insurance, sir. That was a paper. That was a temporary plate. When did you buy the car?
It had to be, if that was in July, I had to buy the car no later than, I think I bought the car the day before the 4th of July. So the 3rd.
You didn't put any insurance on this vehicle at all, did you?
No.
All right, I'm gonna find him guilty as to the amended count of improper plate, because you didn't put any insurance, and I've never heard of a dealership putting insurance on a car for you. But I wasn't gonna fine you for that anyway. A stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I was gonna fine you only for one because of your age and because you owe a few other tickets down here that you never paid. So I was gonna cut you a break anyway. Pay $240. You pay it, I'll dismiss it upon payment. When can you pay the $240?
I could probably pay it in the next 2 weeks, Your Honor.
Probably put a date on it, Mr. O'Neill.
I can pay it in the next 2 weeks. Let me go to my calendar.
All right, yeah, put a date on it. I'll say I'll give you till well, you tell me what can you pay? When can you pay it?
Could I do it March 5th?
That's what I was gonna say, March 5th. Come back on March 5th at 8:25. If it's paid, the 240's paid, sir, you don't have to come back. I'll see it in the system. If you pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. March 5th, Mr. O'Neill, if it's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, sir.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Oh, this is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Edward DeLon Goodwin Jr. Case number SP 1629666, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1633166, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1637880. SP 1847762, counts 1 and counts 2 and count 3. State of Michigan versus Edward DeLon Goodwin Jr. Case number SX 4457690 and SX 463998891, SX 4640003, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Goodwin.
Edward DeLon Goodwin Jr.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time, and it's set for a show cause, 1, 2, only on the docket. Mr. Berry, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond, and I'm going to recall the warrants. So the two that are on the docket are the state cases. You see those. So then add a limited access state case, a no ops, a defective equipment, an improper equipment, possession of marijuana under 21, a no insurance misdemeanor, a driving while license suspended, an unregistered untitled, a student unaccompanied, and a no insurance misdemeanor. Get Mr. Goodman attempt to get him a good updated offer of 9. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Goodman, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll put you in a breakout room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Fernandez. Mr. Fernandez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a dismissal of all charges.
A señor Hernández, van a llamar de nuevo a su casa. Señor Fernández, le he dado la oportunidad de hablar con un abogado. Abogado, van a anular todos los cargos.
It's a dismissal of the improper equipment and the license matter, Your Honor.
Sí, es una anulación de que tenía algo en el carro que no estaba funcionando bien y que no falló en presentar una licencia. Esos dos quedan anulados.
Okay, good. This case is dismissed, sir. You still owe the 210 for the blocking traffic. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Entonces, señor Fernández, esos dos cargos quedan anulados, pero todavía debe los $210. Si no hay más nada, tenga muy buen día y puede desconectarse.
Will the court consider waiving the late fee and penalty?
I'm not sure, Your Honor. Both Ms. Harris and Mr. Fernandez spoke at the same time. I did not
I'll waive the late fee on the blocking traffic, $175 now. You got to get it paid, sir.
Entonces, se le va a quitar la multa extra, la penalidad, porque no pagó eso a tiempo. Entonces, ahora nada más debe 175.
Por todo.
That is for everything?
No, you still owe 175 on the blocking traffic. I brought it down from 175 to 210, from 210 to 175.
Sí, eso es todo. Debe 175 por el tiquete anterior que le rebajaron de ir a la velocidad más alta de lo permitida, lo que se llama bloquear. El juez la bajó de 210 a 175.
All right, have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Está bien, que tenga buen día, señor. Buena suerte.
¿Puedo hacer una pregunta o ya puedo retirarme?
Do I have a question or do I have to disconnect?
If you have a question, you have a question. You can ask your question. If you don't have a question, you're free to leave.
Dice, si no tiene ninguna pregunta, se puede desconectar. Si tiene una pregunta, hágala.
Yo quiero saber cómo yo puedo realizar el pago, si puedo hacerlo ahora mismo ya para quedar libre de eso.
When can I make the payment? Can I make it right away so that I am free of all of that?
Yes, as soon as it
Sí.
reads $175, can you put that in there for him?
Sí, en un momentico lo van a poner que eso es lo que debe, $175. Entonces, cuando diga eso, ya lo puede pagar.
Ok, pero ellos me enviarán algo así como un mensaje de texto o algo, ¿no?
So, will I get a message, a text message, or anything like that?
No, you pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse. There are other ways to pay it. Those are just the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
Las mejores maneras que yo le puedo decir que puede pagar es presentarse en la corte y pagar en persona en la ventanilla del cajero o pagar por los kioscos que se llaman DivDat. O usted puede poner esa app en su teléfono y pagar por esa app que se llama DivDat.
Ok, muchas gracias. Que tenga buen
Okay.
día.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, have a great day.
Okay, buen día.
All right, I have one more for you in 1 second, Ms. Cox. This is the city of Detroit versus Master Brian Lee Greer Bay II, case number SP 145961661, SP 184-71651, and U 508-25319. Ms. Harris, appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Master Byron Greer Bay II.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time. He has warrants. This one's set for a show cause on the docket. He has 2 warrants. Mr. Harris, purpose of arraignment.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Greer Bay, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And the one is a disorderly conduct, the U ticket, and the other ticket is a disregard an officer's order. Those are the 2 other allegations that we'll be referring to. I'm gonna put you in join the room, Mr. Bay, and have speak to Ms. Harris, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Nefertali Lopez Romero. Case numbers SP 183-50341, SP 180-7047, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 182-733-1, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record.
Llamaron el caso contra Nestalí López Romero, leyó el juez todos los números de los casos y pidió que se presentaran para las escrituras, empezando con el abogado.
Okay. Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, sir.
Buenos días, su señoría, el abogado Harry Boffman, representando al acusado. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre.
Neftali López Romero. So, Your Honor, my client will waive rights and plead guilty. The recommendation is for open alcohol passenger under a 6-month delayed sentence and failure to display a valid license. The balance of the matters will be dismissed here.
Su señoría, mi cliente se va a declarar culpable del cargo de que había alcohol en un carro, que él era pasajero, y además se declarará culpable de que falló en presentar la licencia, y todos los demás cargos quedan anulados. Y la sentencia está pospuesta por 6 meses, lo cual quiere decir que en 6 meses, si no tiene ningún otro cargo, le anulan ese cargo.
Okay.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Señor, ¿usted quiere aceptar la oferta?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
Por favor, levante la mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down.
Puede bajar la mano.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Usted entiende que la sentencia máxima por este cargo podría ser hasta 93 días de cárcel y $500 de multa, ¿entiende?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Usted entiende que usted tiene el derecho absoluto de ir a un juicio.
Sí.
Yes.
The Baughman went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y su abogado le dijo cuáles eran sus derechos durante un juicio en el cuarto privado, ¿correcto?
Sí.
Yes. You understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta sobre esos derechos?
No, esto.
No, that would be all.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y usted entiende que al aceptar esta oferta está renunciando a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Anyone offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien le ha ofrecido algo diferente a lo que hemos dicho aquí bajo las escrituras ahora?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what we said we'll do today?
¿Alguien le dijo que aceptara algo diferente a lo que usted va a aceptar ahora?
Sí.
Yes.
Sir, listen to
Your
the
Honor,
question, please.
Señor, por favor, escuche la pregunta. ¿Alguien le ha hecho una oferta diferente de lo que acaba de decir el juez?
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
All right. And let me draw your attention back to November the 9th, 2025 at around 5:01 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of St. John and Trenton Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Usted quiero que se acuerde del día 9 de noviembre en Detroit, cerca de las calles John y Tentron. ¿Usted tuvo un contacto con un policía ese día?
Sí.
Yes.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Y usted estaba manejando un vehículo?
Sí.
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
¿Y el policía le pidió que presentara una licencia válida?
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
Y no lo podía hacer, ¿correcto?
No.
And why is that?
¿Por qué?
Porque no tengo licencia.
Because I don't have a license.
All right. And did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
¿Y había alcohol en ese vehículo?
Sí.
Yes.
What kind of alcohol did you have?
¿Qué clase de alcohol tenía?
Era una modelo nada más.
It was a Modelo only.
Modelo. Was it open?
Modelo, ¿estaba abierto?
Sí.
Yes.
And was there still some alcohol in the container?
¿Y todavía quedaba alcohol en la botella?
Como la mitad.
About half of it.
Very well. I'm going to find him guilty as to the amended count of open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Stipulate the probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matters.
Entonces lo voy a encontrar culpable del cargo rebajado de que había alcohol y usted era pasajero en ese vehículo y estipula usted, abogado, para que se anulen los otros cargos.
I stipulate to probable cause, Your Honor. Thank you.
Sí, su honoría, yo estipulo a causas probables. Gracias.
All right. 240 plus 240. That's 480, sir. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. and come back on August the 20th at 8:25. If it's paid, and you haven't gotten any other trouble like that, then we'll dismiss the case.
Ok, señor, entonces tiene dos multas, una de 240, la otra de 240, en total 480. La mejor manera que le puede decir el juez que lo pague es que vaya en persona al edificio de la corte, pague en la ventanilla del cajero, o que vaya a los kioscos que hay en varias tiendas alrededor de la ciudad que se llaman DIVDAT, o usted puede poner esa app en su teléfono, DIVDAT, y pagar de esa manera. Entonces, usted tiene otra fecha que se tiene que presentar. Por favor, anótelo. El 20 de agosto a las 8:35 de la mañana. Y entonces, si no ha recibido ningún otro cargo en su contra, entonces ese cargo se lo quitan.
El 20 de agosto, ¿a qué horas?
August 20th, at what time?
August 20th at 8:25.
El 20 de agosto a las 8:25 de la mañana.
Ok, pero entonces debo 480 y puedo pagar eso antes de ese, cuando toca el corte, el 20 de agosto.
So I do have to pay 480, and can I pay it before my next court date?
It has to be paid before your next court date.
Sí, tiene que pagarlos antes de la próxima fecha que se presente.
Ok, está bien.
Okay, thank you, that is fine.
And further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you and you as well, Ms. Cox.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good afternoon. Thank you, Mr. Bachman. Entonces ya terminamos, señor. Buena suerte y que
Ok.
te pase buen día.
Ok, muchas gracias igualmente.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. Send back. Bye-bye.
All right.
Hasta luego, Your Honor.
Hasta luego. I'll see you next time.
Bye now.
let's go back on the record with Mr. Greer Bay. Mr. Greer Bay, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
All right. Trial date will be March the 16th, 2026 at 9 a.m., Mr. Greer Bay. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I've seen that. I forgot what it was.
Feds.
That's just a fit. I know, but what is it though?
They're more.
That's
Yeah, I saw that. No, those officers that arrested, that called immigration on, there was one individual that got stopped on a traffic stop and he couldn't speak English. And they just called the border patrol on him.
well, yeah, because when border control come, a lot of them can speak Spanish.
That's what his reasoning behind it was, but you know,
That'll suck if we get there and they can't. It was a border patrol officer that taught me some Spanish words. It's like, where you learn
I
all
heard it
this?
was out of policy. I heard Bedison state that it was out of policy because there's a 24-hour, this was WXYZ, there's a 24-hour interpretation for officers to call. And that
Right.
calling, that's out of policy.
And then,
Wow, that sounds like it. I mean, because.
I don't know who
I
they
wonder
are.
how many more have been doing this though.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'll tell you what, the Taylor Chief Police says, hey, we call them. We giving them full right to call them, and we partner with all of the agencies.
Wow.
So
A lot of them live in Taylor.
yes.
But that's so presumptuous. You know what I'm saying? That's really presumptuous to call that law enforcement agency.
Yep, well, that's the times. That's why I tell people to go to the ballot box if they want to change things. But I don't know who the officers are. I will see, I guess, soon, at some point. I've been to couple of those police commissioner meetings. All right, let's go. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Goodwin. Mr. Goodwin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter pleas to one count failure to display, the limited access charge to be reduced to 6 to 10 miles, limited access 6 to 10 miles. And finally, the marijuana charge. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir? Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is the misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
He did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to December the 26th, 2025 at around 10:40 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of I-94 and Burns. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department? With the Michigan State Police?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, they were suspended at the time.
All right, very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. Let me draw your attention back to
Oh, this is.
Take the average. Let's take the PC for now. I'll come back for the rest.
Let me draw your attention back to January the 5th, 2026, around 5:21 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Lake Point and Waden. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you in possession of some marijuana?
Yes.
And how much were you in possession of?
I had an ounce, but the officer put 2.5 ounces on the ticket.
There's a discrepancy here. He says he has an ounce. How old are you?
19.
Are you able to possess marijuana at all?
No.
I guess it doesn't matter, does it?
No, it did not.
All right. We can adjust. I don't know if we got. He says it. We'll find him guilty. What is this? Delayed sentence here or no, Mr. Berry?
It is not delayed, Your Honor.
It's not delayed. All right. Find him guilty as charged. Well,
And Your Honor, I'm sorry, Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit. What charge is that, Your Honor?
marijuana, possession of marijuana.
I looked it
Underage.
up, underage, Your Honor. I looked it up. It's a civil infraction, and I believe the fine that's in there is $50. Is that correct?
Is that a civil infraction? I don't think that's a civil infraction, is it?
I think so, Your Honor. If you have the case number, would you?
Yes, it is. It is. It is. It is.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket. I didn't know it was a civil infraction. Oh, all right. Well, you got a break. He already admitted to it, so we'll find him responsible. Strike the guilty plea. We'll find him responsible.
Yeah, we looked it up, Your Honor, together in the room and found out.
All right, very well. Stipulate the probable cause for the, what about the limited access? Stipulate to that, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
On behalf of your client for the limited access, 6 to 10?
Is that it? 6 to 10?
Yeah.
All right.
All right. And then stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fine you $240 for the failure to display, and I'll fine you $50 for the marijuana. I will not fine you for the speeding, even though you need to slow down. And then you owe some other monies down here. So I'm gonna set this matter. Well, I'm just gonna pay by March the 19th, 2026, and I'll mark the file allow payment plan. If you're gonna get into a payment plan, you will need to pay that no insurance proof off of 336 before you get into that payment plan.
Okay.
So pay it off, and then you get into the payment plan with all the other stuff. The no insurance proof is affecting his ability to get a license. Here's what I'm gonna do. Do you have $45?
Yes, Your Honor.
Bring that no insurance, bring that down here as soon as you can, because I can't let you pay it. I can't lets you pay it online, and just pay that $45 up front on that no insurance proof. You have to bring it to the window. Then, once you do that, that'll get you clearances here. Then you can get into a payment plan on all of it. So come down as soon as you can to get in that payment, to get into that, to pay that $45, and then make sure by March 19th you need to pay it off, or that you get into a payment plan. All right, sir?
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thanks.